Hi, my name's Sonia from CiMa-Pak. I'd like to show you today the model SVR vacuum tray sealer. It's one of many models that we have, all depending on what you want to package, your budget, how fast you'd like to package. This one has 10 programs. We have preset program 1. So if I hold the select button, now I can program the vacuum. I can increase or decrease that. Select now the gas. Often it is 100% vacuum you might do and about 80% gas, but that varies with what you're doing. Then we can set the seal time. In this case, we have 1.4 seconds. To complete our programming, we hold it, and we get back to program 1, and we're ready to go. Here we have the temperature. It's set to 175 degrees Celsius, ready to go for these polypropylene trays. What we're going to do then is we're going to load trays into the sealer. Here we're showing different kinds. Very often you'll have all the same. When we push the drawer in, it's going to draw the film along with it. Once the drawer is in, we're going to press the start button, which will start the vacuum process. It takes out all of the oxygen. Once that's done, it injects a gas. And then once that's done, it's going to do the seal. We can hear when it's completed. We pull out the drawer. It has cut the film, and the film is cut to the shape of the tray. In this case, we have a small pull tab for easy removal. You can discard the excess here, take out all of the trays. Ready to go. And then this machine also, you can change molds for different molds. It can do, for example, 1 very large tray or 2 sort of medium-sized trays, great for dinners or individual meals perhaps. You can do 4 at a time. It can do shallow, it can do deep, it can also even do very large pails. So this machine is ready to go, very easy to do, doesn't take up much space. The molds that you have in this machine can also be used in higher production machines, so you don't necessarily have to buy a new mold for each machine that you purchase. So when it comes time to maintain the SVR vacuum tray sealer, this is very simple. We have easy access cabinets. For safety, we must turn the machine off. Turn it off. We use the key to open the cabinet. Inside the cabinet in the front, we have all the electronics, very easy access. Using the same key, we can walk to the back of the machine, where again we open a cabinet. Here you have access to the vacuum pump, for which you will have to change the oil from time to time, the gauges, all of the connections. From the back, you can also change the mold for a second mold or a third mold, whatever tray you're sealing that day. The SVR vacuum tray sealer is available from CiMa-Pak, along with trays and film. You're welcome to call us anytime. Thank you for listening.